Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see, it's another little install video here. What we're gonna do, take off that grill, which we did. Got them right here. Time to replace it. I tell you, trying to get everything black. So I went ahead and picked up this Rebel style grill right here. So I should have flipped it maybe this way so you guys can see it correctly. And it does, it has the little lights. It's gonna have the RAM right there in the center. That's what's in this box here. Here's what you need to connect the lights. It's gonna give you the little pigtails that you need to attach it, and then you're gonna have to connect it with a ground and a power. So I'm gonna have to come on in here through the headlight. I already pulled this out. I'm not 100% sure which ones I'm gonna go through. I think this one's for the blinker if I'm not mistaken, and I think this is more for the lights. I'm not too sure. I'm not really too sure. I know obviously black is ground, and I just need to find out which one of these other wires I would need to tap in, if it's that brown and white or the green and white. So I don't know, I may have to, I really don't want to experiment, you know, and mess something up. So I'm gonna keep watching, you know, some more YouTube videos and see other people that have done it, and see if I could get it to work. Worst case, you know, I'll just throw on the grill, put the letters on there, and come back and get the lighting on once I figured it out. But yeah, just wanted to show you really fast what little project I was doing. All right, y'all, so this is pretty self-explanatory. 1 goes with 1, 2 with 2, 3 is gonna come with number 3 right here, and then 4 is gonna go over there. So there's a 4 right there, and you have your number 4 right here. So super easy. You just put those little bolts right here, like this. You put them in through the back like that. And what you're gonna do, you want the numbers facing down towards you. You're gonna just line this up right like that, and see it's gonna sync. Then you come back, get your little nuts here, add them on, tighten it up. These guys right here, they give you the screws for them. So you're gonna just screw those in. You're gonna need a Phillips. Super easy to get this grill on. All right, y'all, so check it out. This is the way it's gonna look once the lights are on. Right now, I'm trying it on the battery, but that's the way the lights are gonna look when they all turn on. That's the way it's supposed to be. I just need to figure out the wiring situation, like I said. But yeah, see, that's them off. All right, y'all, so little preview here. Got the grill on. If you're wondering why I didn't put the RAM on there, these people screwed up, man. So let me show you over here. Excuse my little mess on my pile of stuff, but they messed up. Check it out. So I was gonna put it on. There's the A, and I have the R in there as well. But man, check it out. The dude sent me 2 of the same M's. I'm like, so I needed the smaller piece like that, the overlay piece, to come up on top. So I'm gonna have to reach back out to the seller, yeah, and have them send that back out to me. So right now I'm just like, well, I'm already halfway here, so I might as well just install the grill and then just take it off again to re-put the letters. But as far as the wiring, so what I found, and hopefully this is true, but okay, so once you take off your light, and I didn't take it off, but I just got it right up here. It's still connected to this other wire back here. You see it goes into the light over here. So I guess there's a way that you can unconnect it from here. I was trying to fiddle around with it, but again, light's not on my side. So I went ahead and put that to the side. I took off the wrapping off of this from the videos that I've seen online. Of course, your black is your ground, and it's saying that this brown and white right here is going to be your power. The green and white is going to be your blinker, which would mean that every time you turn on your blinkers, that's when the lights would turn on, and that's kind of a bummer, I guess, or kind of cool. I mean, depending what you're trying to accomplish, I guess. But so I'm gonna really gently just gonna peel back this with some scissors. I got my wire cutters right there, maybe use them. And I'm just gonna run the black to black, and then the red over here to this white and brownish looking one. And yeah, hopefully that does the trick. So whenever I turn on the car and the headlights are on, these should also illuminate. You know, that's the way I want them to run. So I'll be right back. Keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully that works. All right, y'all, so let me show you how I did it. I went ahead, like I said, turn on my little light here, cut up right here, got into the black. That's your ground. And then it was the brown and white. I just wrapped the wires around it there, okay? And just like that, voila, check that out. Yeah, pretty dope, huh? Hell yeah. And then you got your headlight going and whatnot. So yeah, that's it. I just need to put everything back in. Just wanted to show you how it looks. Yeah, I'm gonna get the lights on. Looks dope. All right, y'all, so it's getting dark. Sun's just about down. When I had put back in the light, put the plastic trimming back on. What I did notice was it doesn't have the holes right here for this guy or this guy. So I am gonna drill the holes. I'm gonna leave the little Christmas trees in there just for now so I don't misplace them. But I'm gonna have to reach back out, like I said, to get the Ram lettering corrected. And once I come back in, because I'm gonna have to take off the grill again to install the lettering. So at that point, that's when I'm gonna go ahead and I'll bring out the drill. Hopefully it'll be during the daytime. Just drill a hole in there, pop, snap that back in. But yeah, just like that, we got that grill installed. Check it out. All right, y'all, and with that, it's a wrap. Need to wash the truck. It's been windy. It's all this week, all of last week. It's like the wind just never stops. But I was able to get this grill on. I think it looks dope. I was kind of concerned because of the wiring. I was kind of scared to fiddle around with that. But I'm glad that I did. I'm glad that I was able to make it work. And yeah, with that, everybody, like I said, thanks for watching. Appreciate your time. Enjoy the rest of your night. Catch you on the next one. Peace.